Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Today we're going to go over an actual software that we use here in our print shop to manage our printing orders. But first we're going to roll that intro, and then we're going to dive in and show you what software we use, why we like it, and where you can go get it. But stay tuned, let's roll that intro. Hey guys, Ken from Veteran Screen Printing. Just like I said before the intro, is we use here in our shop a print software management system. What a print software management system is, it actually helps you. For instance, the software we use, it helps you give quotes. It helps with mock-up approvals. In there, the customer can reply back and forth. And not just that, it's also linked to SNS Activewear, so you know exactly what's in stock and what is not. It's very simple to use. You can pretty much give a quote seriously within a couple minutes, as long as you have all the information from the customer, i.e. the design, what color garments, what sizes. And if you're talking to the customer, you know, if they just want a quick quote, you can always add, you know, just a temporary design, just so you can continue on to do the how many colors and everything, just to give them a quote. But let's dive in, and we're going to do share our screen, and then you'll see what we use. It's very, very awesome because this software was made by a screen printer, and I know you guys will know who it is as soon as we show you. So let's dive in and show you on our screen. Alright guys, so this is our dashboard. If you guys haven't seen, this is who made it, the Print Life. So Cam over at the Print Life made a awesome software. I actually love it, and for the price, you can't beat it. Cam doesn't know I'm actually doing this, but yeah, he nailed it with this one, you guys. I personally love it, and I would never want to change who I use. So very simple. If you guys want to go and give a quote, say a customer calls you, you hit new quote. Now, when you first set this up, it's going to take you probably about an hour and a half, 2 hours to set up, you know, in your settings. Let me just show you that real quick. So in your settings, you have your print matrix and that whole, you know, how much you mark up your shirt, if you want to switch to a 50% deposit or 100%, right? How much your setup fees are. And then on top of that, how much you mark up your shirts, and then how much you charge down here. Now, again, even if you guys were to copy what I have here, different cities, like I said before, charge different. So it's really not going to help you guys per se, because every city charges different. From me to LA, you know, they charge less than that. Then you also have your finishing items right here. The finish type, if you want to fold and bag, you can edit how much it costs. If you want to print neck labels, and then you can also add other stuff, other finishing, saying you want to heat press it or whatever. So that's that. So let's go back up here to new quote. Now we're going to add a garment. Now, whoever the customer, you know, want. Say they want a 6210 next level. That's the 6040 blend. It's pretty popular for us because we print for the military with the military green. So we'll select that. Now our minimum here in our shop is 12. Okay. If we're really busy, then we'll actually cancel and do, like, say 24. But for the most part, it's 12. So I'm going to add 3 small, 3 medium, 3 large, and 3 XL. Okay, that makes it 12. That's the price just for the shirts for the customer. It already added everything up. This piece right here is how many they have in stock in the S&S warehouses in total. Okay, now let's just see if we can find one that is out of stock somewhere. Okay, so see how this is out of stock is 0. Now you can add, but it's going to say override S&S stock. Okay, now that's saying that they don't have none in stock. You're going to have to find those somewhere else. Okay, so you just, you know, got to remember that. Okay, now print setup, very simple. If you don't have their design already and they just called you, you can just grab any old design just to give them a price. And what we'll do is, let's do design. We'll just grab our film for our company. Very simple. Now it's going to take a second. It's going to load this up into this checkered box back here, and then you can go and move on from there to your print width, the distance from the collar. So again, this is your print width. So just say the front, right? Because we're on the front. We're going to make a big chest print. Or not. Maybe you just want a left chest. So we're going to go 4 inches wide, 4 inches down. It's going to be left chest. We're going to print on a green shirt, so we're going to print black ink. Or we're going to print golden yellow with an underbase. You know, and you can set up all these different Pantones in your settings. And this is where that 1 hour and an hour and a half before you get started comes into play. Very simple to do. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, Cam actually has videos to help you, guide you along as well. Again, so you can pick out whatever colors you want. Alright, and then submit. See how this already changed? It's already put in my printing screen, or my setup screen fees. It already did everything else. You can add back, you can add left, right, whatever you want. Now you can add fold bag, neck labels if you want, and then once you're done, final price gives you a little, you know, mock up what this is, what you're using, and then the price, and then if you want to do a one-time discount, whatever. Okay, so that's you know, that's how it is. And then you can save it to whatever customer you want, or you can tell them if they called you on the phone and tell them, hey, your price is going to be $177.10. Whatever it is, right? So it makes it very, very simple to do this and quote out people. All right, let's exit out of our screen sharing. So there you go, guys. This is the software we use. It's very, very simple. Once you get set up, like I said, it takes about an hour, hour and a half to actually get set up, the entire back end. But once you do, it's going to make your life so much easier. We know what we're printing, what's, you know, been ordered, you know, the whole 9 yards. And the customer, can, like I said, can actually go in, review it, approve it, and you guys can text back and forth in the software. For the price, you can't beat it. It's the best software for the price. I mean, even if the price went up a little bit, it still would be the best. I've looked at a couple other print software management systems, and it makes my head turn. You know, I work full time, and then I come print at night or on the weekends, and I need something that's streamlined, that gets done like this. And with this software, hands down, best. And again, I'm not sponsored by this. Cam doesn't know I'm doing this, but I love the product so much. I wanted to give Cam a review on this, and I finally got to it. I've been using this software management for at least 6 months or longer. I've used the different functions in there. And what's really awesome is Cam is actually going through and updating and fixing stuff every single day. So big shout out to Cam, the Print Life, and thank you for making a pretty much a kick-ass software for all of us screen printers, especially if you're starting out. This will help you even if you're very, very new and just beginning, because it actually streamlines your quotes for your customers. So you're not quoting the customer one thing and a certain price, and then another customer a different price. This will keep your prices the same every single time to help you streamline, to build that customer relationship and build a rapport with your customers. So definitely go check it out. You can go to theprintlife.com and sign up and get the software management system. Again, it's money well spent, even if you're just beginning. So if you guys like this, please like it. Please share this video. And also, if you guys want to see something else, please let us know in the comments, or you can email us below. Also, if you guys want to see some of the equipment that we use in our shop, look in the descriptions. We have some links below that will guide you. We also have a link below for Screen Print Direct. When you buy something for the first time through their website, not Amazon, through their website, you get $10 off. All right, so definitely head over there, check it out. And again, if you guys want to see something that you haven't seen, or you guys want to see something, or you want us to talk about something that you want to learn about, if we know it, we'll help you guys. That's what this channel is about. We're going to do reviews on stuff that we use here in our shop, or if you guys want to see a review on something and we have time to go get it or purchase it or find it, we definitely will. But until next time, please be safe and have fun.